Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Patrick and Partners on Bob Iacchino, checking in on Bitcoin. Coin coming down to our 95.72 level, stopping, rallying back up to rotation zone, then dipping back down, forming a potential double bottom. Again, not confirmed because we do not have a trade above 99.22 or triggered because we don't have a close above there. So it's still potential. It's a potential reversal signal that you can pay attention to. Right now we'll drag down the next key levels here. Well, let's review the downside first. If I continue decline, 93.43, then 91.49 to 90.84, which would then tackle the most recent swing lows. Now the upside above 99.22.55 on a closing basis, that would trigger this double. First target 10,094, next target 10,180, final target, which is actually a cluster and a declining 50-period exponential moving average, 10,266. So those are all your targets to the upside should this double trigger. Let's check in on that daily chart. Here's your daily chart, so you can see if we did trigger this, it would be a return. The first target is actually right at the 50-day exponential moving average. Next target is just below the declining rotation zone on the daily basis. The final target is just inside the rotation zone, so this could easily trigger and only return to the rotation zone and still rotate back down. Here's that most recent major swing low I was talking about. If we do go through there, then the next major cluster area is right around 8,500. Checking in on Ethereum. Ethereum coming down to our 2208 level, .84 to be exact, but we're not trying to be that exact. Coming down, rallying back up to the rotation zone, then coming down, going through our next level, 205.90. At that point, if you were wondering, well, what am I supposed to do? Where's the next level down? Well, then drag it down first to here, because this is a pausing bar with a return to the rotation zone, and look at that. Gave you 201.80, spiking just below that. Now returning to the rotation zone just above it. So finally breaking the rotation zone. Now let's see what's going to happen. Now we can drag it back down here. So downside levels. Should we rotate back down? Return to 201.11 would be the first target, then 196.84, then 192.57, then the major swing lows from back on the 16th of July. To the upside. Again, since we've had pausing bars, and if you want minor levels, always bring in this. Now those are still from the doubles, so we have to change them back to 12 and 25 harmonics. So that would give us the 218.55 and 220.50 levels. Above there, we have 222 minor resistance, and then we'll switch to the daily chart, and then 225. Let's switch over to that daily chart right now to really get an idea. Let me zoom in for everybody. All right, so you see we get to this 220. That's right where the declining rotation zone is on the daily basis. So definitely, if you were trying to bottom pick in here, that's key area to move up your stops. Above there would be in the rotation zone. You can always then reapply the GAN projections to find your next minor levels. Next major level I'll be watching is this little shelf right here, which is key resistance about 229 to 230. And then above that, we'd be watching for 235 and then 241. Those are all your levels to the upside. Now, if we break below the most recent July lows at 191, then we can do some projections down, but next minor level would be 180.27. Let's see if that happens, then I'll do the projections down. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.